Hello everyone, it's so nice to see you guys again. I was in China for 2 months and finally I'm back. Today we're making a tofu and pepper stir fry. It's light, colorful, and packed with plant-based protein. A healthy meal whether you are looking for lunch or dinner. Let's get started. We start with 400 grams of tofu. I recommend using firm or extra firm tofu for this recipe. Then gently run your knife along the edge to open the package. Then we take the tofu out and give it a quick rinse and pat it completely dry with paper towels. Once the tofu is dry, start by cutting the tofu block in half. And then slice them into medium pieces about 1 centimeter thick. This size fries evenly and doesn't break apart. With the tofu all set, let's move on to the peppers. I'm using 3 different colored bell peppers today, but you can use any peppers you have at home. You'll need about 250 grams in total. Remove the seeds and slice the peppers into strips. And with the peppers done, let's prepare the onion. Use half an onion, about 100 grams, and slice it into strips. And finally, let's mince 3 cloves of garlic to add some fragrance to the dish. Now that everything is prepared, let's make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and about 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Give a good mix and set it aside. And finally, we're ready to start cooking. The first thing we'll do is pan fry the tofu. Heat the pan with some oil and let oil warm up gently. Once the oil is warm, place the tofu pieces in. Remember, don't move the tofu right away because the tofu will break easily at this time. Then we season the tofu with a little bit of salt and sugar and let the tofu sit till the bottom turns golden. When you see the golden color, flip the pieces and cook the other side till it becomes golden too. Then the tofu is done. Now we can go ahead and stir fry the vegetables in the same pan. Add a little bit more oil to the pan. We start with the garlic and stir it for a few seconds till it becomes fragrant. Then we add the sliced onion and stir fry for another 30 seconds. And then add the peppers in and give them a quick stir. Then season with a little bit of salt and half of the sauce we made earlier. Stir everything well so the peppers and onions can absorb the flavor. And then next, add the tofu back into the pan and pour in the rest of the sauce. Gently toss everything together a few times till the tofu and the vegetables are evenly coated. For the final seasoning, add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt if needed and give it all one last mix. When everything looks glossy and evenly combined, it's ready to serve. This tofu and pepper stir fry is simple, healthy, and full of fresh flavor. I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.